President vevanhu President Argo Nelson Chamisa vachiadresa nyika yeZimbabwe yesterday panoti was the workers day. Sanapinda mashoko anouya panapa aiwanyatso kuti the regime panapa is failed. The regime iri kunyatsokuomesera vanhu and people they were celebrating the workers day. Kunyange zvavo vachinyatsokuona kuti they are not working. Don't for subscribe or like out on the bell. Kuti ipinda paindo pake mudanyora chiti today is workers day, a moment to thank all workers who make the wheels of nations turn and the economies of the world tick. We stand in solidarity with the suffering workers of Zimbabwe as the world commemorates the May Day today. Zimbabwe is a country without work for many, even for those with jobs. Life is unbearable. The Zimbabwean workers have been resilient under deadening poverty in a very difficult circumstances, yet we have rampant corruption and the floundering of wealth by the corrupt few. Workers have been plunged into slavery. Many workers are earning extremely low wages, rendering them working poor, basically putting them in the poverty basket. Our teachers and nurses are suffering. The civil servants are struggling. Workers in general are without a decent living wage. University lecturers who are currently on strike are earning a paltry salary, an embarrassing 228 per month. Many workers have lost their pensions and face a difficult retirement future. Zimbabwean workers literally live, work, and retire in poverty. Due to high unemployment and the lack of government protection, many workers are stripped of their rights and freedoms. The majority are also in survivalist informal employment without social security, income, or other labor rights. The level of poverty in the working class has driven many professionals to seek better opportunities outside the country. That is draining the country of skilled and experienced professionals. Without experienced professionals and artisans, we cannot have economic recovery. The next government, our new government, will focus on restoring the dignity of workers and the strengthening of genuine social dialogue as a means of addressing the multiple problems that workers are facing. We will prioritize rebuilding the economy and public services in order to create employment opportunities for the many unemployed young Zimbabweans. We will end casualization of jobs and stop job losses and retrenchment. Labor laws and practices shall be reformed in order to strengthen protection of freedom of association, expression, and collective bargaining. Ndomasvika mudanyoka panapa Argo Nelson Chamisa achiti yes, vanhu vaicelebrate workers day. Varikuonekwa kunzi aiwa munyika macho meZimbabwe working conditions are very harsh. People kunzi vanhu vana mabasa, workers, government workers, university lecturers vakuva inoiva pastrike. Tuzive mafunguro enyu nokudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakuvenza kishemedu, unosubscribe or like and on the bell icon.